Hey everyone, Claudia McGilkey here with eXp Realty, and I'm going to show you 80 Millet Circle. Come on in. This house is wonderful. Open floor plan. It has all the bedrooms on one side. So first bedroom over here, bath, another bedroom, all new porcelain tile flooring, all new sinks, ceiling fans, freshly painted. Check it out. Very open. Very open kitchen area right here. All new appliances. The appliances were just put in just for the sale of this house. So all new appliances, ceiling fans, new sinks, new everything. And it's got a beautiful backyard that is fenced. Very large family room. And then over here you've got another bedroom and then the master. And then the master is going to have two walk-in closets, and then tub and double vanity linen closet. All right, so the house is 319.9, located in Quail Ridge subdivision, no HOA, beautiful yard, ready to sell, ready to go. Call me, 850-485-0353, or DM me. And this house is ready just for you in time for Christmas. Happy holidays, everyone.